Hey, Emma. Good morning. How's your day starting?
Hey, Alex. Morning. It's starting slow, which I actually like. I had coffee, checked my emails, and now I feel human.
Oh, yeah. Coffee first, emails later. That's the real rule at work.
Exactly. By the way, for everyone watching, I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're friends from the US, and we like to talk about everyday English.
Very everyday, very real, no textbook English.
Today's topic is something many learners ask about.
Yes, how do native speakers talk at work?
Not how they write emails, not big grammar rules.
Just how they really talk in meetings, with coworkers, with the boss.
And, spoiler alert, it's usually simple.
Very simple and very human. So let's start easy. Alex, when you arrive at work, what do you say to people?
Hmm, good question. I think for a moment. Usually, I don't say much.
Same.
I'll say, hey, or morning, or how's it going?
Not good morning, how are you today?
No, that sounds like a robot or a very formal email.
Yeah, at work, native speakers like short and friendly.
And sometimes very lazy.
True. Like, I might walk in and say, hey, what's up?
And the answer's almost always, not much.
Even if a lot is happening.
Smiles.
That's important for learners to know. How's it going is not a real question.
Right, it's more like saying hello.
You don't need a long story.
Unless you're close friends.
Or unless something really big happened.
Like, I didn't sleep at all last night.
Oh, yes, then people listen.
Okay, so mornings are short and friendly. What about small talk at work?
Small talk is huge in American workplaces.
Huge, but also light.
We talk about the weather a lot.
So much. It's cold today. It's hot today.
Looks like rain.
And sports.
Weekend plans.
Or food. Always food.
Yes, someone brings lunch and everyone says, ooh, that smells good.
Even if it doesn't.
It's just being polite.
And friendly. At work, sounding friendly matters more than sounding perfect.
That's a big lesson.
Now let's talk about meetings. This is where learners get nervous.
Very nervous, yes.
They think meetings are very formal.
But many meetings are actually casual.
For example, the meeting might start like this.
All right, let's get started.
Or, okay guys, thanks for joining.
Guys here means everyone, men and women.
Yes, it's informal, but common.
And then people say things like, so today we're going to talk about...
Notice gonna, not going to.
Native speakers use contractions all the time.
Wanna, gonna, kinda, sorta.
At work, too, very normal.
Now what if you don't understand something in a meeting?
This is important. Native speakers ask questions.
All the time.
They say things like, sorry, can you say that again?
Or, just to make sure I understand.
Or, can you clarify that?
That one sounds formal, but it's very common.
And it's okay. It doesn't make you look stupid.
Actually, it makes you look smart.
Because you care about understanding.
Now let's talk about giving opinions.
Native speakers are often soft when they disagree.
Yes, we usually don't say, you are wrong.
That sounds too strong.
Instead, we say things like, I think,
In my opinion.
or I'm not sure about that.
Or my favorite, maybe we could...
That's very American.
It's a gentle way to suggest a different idea.
Let me tell a quick story.
Oh, story time.
At my first office job, I had an idea in a meeting.
Were you nervous?
Very. My heart was beating fast.
I know that feeling.
I didn't say, this is the best idea.
What did you say?
I said, this might be a bad idea, but...
Very native speaker.
And everyone listened, and they liked it.
That's funny. We often make our ideas smaller.
Yes, to sound polite.
Now, what about talking to the boss?
Ah, yes, big question.
Many learners think the boss is very scary.
Sometimes they are.
But usually the language is still simple.
You might say, hey, do you have a minute?
Not, may I speak with you, sir?
Unless it's a very formal company.
Or a movie.
With the boss, people are polite but natural.
They say, I just wanted to check in.
Or, I wanted to ask you about.
And if there's a problem,
We soften it.
I'm having a little trouble with.
I might need some help with.
That sounds honest and respectful.
Now let's talk about making mistakes at work.
Oh, yes, everyone makes them.
Native speakers say things like, that's my bad.
Or, sorry about that.
Or, I messed that up.
Very casual.
Not long apologies.
Just clear and honest.
And then, I'll fix it.
That's important.
Okay, what about jokes at work?
Light jokes are common.
Very light.
Not personal, not offensive.
Usually about work itself.
Like, this meeting could have been an email.
Classic work joke.
Everyone laughs.
Even the boss, sometimes.
Sometimes. Smiles.
So humor helps people feel relaxed.
Yes, it makes work feel human.
Now let's talk about ending conversations.
Oh, that's interesting. At work, people don't say long goodbyes.
They say things like, all right, I'll let you go.
Or, I'll catch up with you later.
Or just, thanks, and they leave.
Very simple.
And at the end of the day,
All right, I'm heading out.
have a good one.
Not, goodbye, see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. No.
So what's the big message here?
Native speakers use simple English at work.
Short sentences,
Friendly tone.
soft opinions.
And lots of small talk.
You don't need big words.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to sound human.
And kind.
Before we finish, any advice for learners?
Yes, listen more than you speak at first.
Good tip.
Notice how people actually talk.
Copy the rhythm, not just the words.
And don't be afraid to speak.
People care more about your ideas than your accent.
That's true.
All right, I think that's a good place to end.
Yeah, thanks for hanging out with us.
We hope this helped you understand real workplace English.
See you next time.
Take care.